Today we're at Spacious Skies Woodland Hills in Austerlitz, New York.
It's a one-night stop on our way to a seafood festival in New Hampshire, and we're going to give you as much as we can in the little time that we're here, but it looks great so far. So this place looks pretty great. We're here on a Thursday. It is practically empty.
It is, yep.
That's a big plus.
We can already see that there's a jump pillow, there's mining for gold, there's an arcade, there's a swimming pond, a beach.
Oh yeah.
Connect 4. So let's go check it out. Here's a gem mine, cute little building. And inside we have an arcade.
They have foosball, and they don't have foosball. They have billiards, they have ping pong, and they have air hockey. There's a craft wall. I saw the guy inside printing out pages to color. There's all weekend. There's a dinosaur hunt. There's a fishing derby. Guess how many charcoal bricks are in the jar? And lawn games by the beach. That sounds fun.
It's a huge common area back here. A massive cook stove. Here's the mining company and gemstones and fossil discovery that you would pan from the water right here. You can see they've got a really big pond with a fountain.
And there's a beach around the bend. That's pretty awesome too. They do keep it well manicured. We'll bring you over there to see it, but we're standing on site 1B right now. This is your view, minus our faces in the way, but it's pretty spectacular.
This is site 1B, and it looks to have a weird little curve in the middle, so it might be a little tough to get level unless you're all the way at the back. We have dumpsters. And on the hill there are a bunch of seasonal campers. We go way back. I think I read that there was 92 sites within this campground. If you forgot ice, they've got you covered.
And they've got water on the front.
They have Connect 4 game located next to the picnic tables, which are located right on the beach. There's a swim platform over there. You can see there's a swing set with a couple of adults on there that my camera won't zoom in on. Here's the dog park, complete with a trash can so you can pick up your pet's waste and dispose of it. Here's our big kid friends. Couldn't zoom in before. Say hi, Jim and Michelle.
Hello.
They're sitting on the swings overlooking the pond.
Here's the site of the future laundry facility. Here is site 7A, which is next door to 8A, 9A, and 10A, all the way down there. I did not see power, but I do see water at these. And it looks like they have, can't see it from here, it looks like they have a place to dump. Oh, there's electric straight ahead of me. Never mind. Water, electric, and sewer. Awesome. The sites that we're on are water and electric only. And those are $51 a night. If you want to lock your site number in, that costs an additional $20. Thank you, Jim Brunel, for doing so. We have sites together, even though I can't imagine we wouldn't have been able to get them. Once you see around our loop, it is very empty. Amy's pointing out in front of us that here's their volleyball net, sanded. It looks a little bit on the low side. A little area to park in if you have a bunch of people that want to play volleyball. There's a volleyball laying on the ground there. I'm just going to go check this out. I'm holding the camera roughly head height here, my eye level. So, yeah, that is an easy spike waiting to happen. We've got the bathhouse here, which I've been told is very nice. We'll have to check that out. We got a playground, and our site's right next to it, 35 and 36A. Water and electric only.
Very clean. Very nice looking bathhouse with 1, 2, 3, 4 stalls. A couple showers on the end. Really nice.
bird poop on my slide.
Oh my God. Come on.
I gotta get out first.
Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
So we're on site 35A. Pretty level at the back. We didn't have to do very much in the way of leveling. We have a fire pit kind of in the middle that we're sharing with our friends that are on the next site over. It was with a picnic table, water, and electric.
So there's free Wi-Fi in the park. There's free Wi-Fi in the park. It's pretty awesome. They have repeaters all over the place, and the signal is fantastic. There's no password. You just type in your site number, and you're connected. Verizon Wireless here is pretty poopy, so we're happy that there's Wi-Fi so we can connect to the outside world. To access the dump station, you have to leave the park, come out onto the road, and then pull into right here. There's no running water here. That's over there behind Amy. And one of my biggest pet peeves when using a dump station, no garbage can for your gloves when you're done.
So do we stay here again?
Probably. We're only here for one night. Don't shake your head no.
I'm saying no because it was a 5.5 hour drive to get here.
But there's cool people out here this way.
There is?
Anyway, we probably would because we're not going to be spending a lot of time here. We'd love to see what's around this area. It's southeastern New York State, so kind of Catskills, Cobleskill area, right?
Cobleskill? What's the...
We're getting the iffy, but yeah, we would do it again. Wouldn't make a special trip unless we were specifically meeting people here, but then still looking to see what there is more to do. But it's a beautiful place. You're going to love it. Until next time, happy camping.